Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, I am going to show you how to make Mexican adobo chicken in the slow cooker. This is such an easy dinner recipe, and you're going to love how tender these chicken thighs get as they simmer in a delicious adobo sauce and salsa. This is amazing for making burrito bowls and chicken tacos. If this is your first time on our channel, we believe sharing homemade food spreads joy and touches lives, and we'll show you how to make delicious dishes you can proudly share with everyone you love. Okay, let me show you how to make this Mexican adobo chicken. Here's a quick look at our ingredients, and I've also listed them in the description box below. Measure out a half cup of your favorite salsa. Then 2 tablespoons of chopped chipotles in adobo sauce. One teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. A half teaspoon of garlic powder, and a tablespoon of chili powder. And mix this all together. Then add a 1/4 cup of chicken broth and stir it to mix. Next, trim 2 to 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs and add them to the bottom of the slow cooker. Thank you so much for watching our channel. When you watch, comment, and share our videos, it helps other people find us, and your support means so much to us. And we have new videos every week. Subscribe and ring the bell so you know when we've posted a new one. Pour the adobo sauce over the chicken. Then cover the slow cooker and cook on high for 4 hours. And here's how it looks after cooking. The thighs are super tender with a delicious, rich, slightly spicy flavor. And the sauce has a little more heat and it tastes amazing served over the chicken. This is also great when you shred the chicken and mix in the sauce. Serve with your favorite toppings for tacos and burrito bowls. This is so delicious, and I hope you enjoy this easy dinner recipe. If you love to entertain, check out this playlist for my potluck favorites. And here's another video I think you'll like. Alright, I'll see you over there.